Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Diajeng Putri Hapsari Kusuma Madani, number student 2010105037 from D3 Kebidanan in class A2. In here, I will be explaining the text about human heart and vaccine. Okay, first, human heart. The heart is an organ in the human body that's an important role in the circulatory system. The heart has four chambers. They are right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. The atria are thin walled upper chambers that collect blood as it flows from the vein between heartbeats. The ventricle is the thick walled lower part that receives blood from the atria and pushes it into the arteries with each contraction of the heart. The right atrium functions to receive dirty blood or oxygen-pure blood from the body, while the left atrium functions to receive clean blood or oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. The right chamber functions to pumping dirty blood from the heart to the lung, while the left chamber functions to pumping clean blood from the lungs throughout the body. Okay, next, second is vaccine. Vaccines are antigen or substances given to patients to improve human immunity or provide immunity to specific diseases. Vaccines are made from harmful viruses or bacteria that have been weakened. Vaccines are classified into several types. The first type for vaccines that contain diseases causing microorganisms that's treated with a solution containing formaldehyde. That microorganism cannot cause diseases but can still form antibodies. Examples of these types of vaccine are the ones that fight influenza, typhoid fever, and cholera. The second vaccine is a vaccine that contains toxin products from microorganisms themselves when the microorganism itself does little damage, but the toxin within the microorganism is extremely harmful. For example, the bacteria that cause diphtheria can thrive in the throat without much harm. But when toxins are released from the bacteria, muscles can become paralyzed and death can ensue. The final type of vaccine is a vaccine containing living microorganisms that have been made harmless. This vaccine contains a large number of antigen product molecules, and the result is generally longer lasting than immunity from other types for vaccine. For example, the Sabin oral anti-polio vaccine and BCG vaccine against tuberculosis are example vaccine. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.